Ready to ditch the silent treatment and finally add killer tunes to your Instagram stories and reels? First, let's make sure you're running the latest version of Instagram. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instagram and tap Update if you see the option. An outdated app is a common culprit for glitches. Next up, clear Instagram's cache. For Android users, go to your phone settings, then Apps, find Instagram, tap on Storage, and then Clear Cache. iPhone users need to offload the app. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, select Instagram, and tap Offload App. Then reinstall app. This frees up space and can resolve some hidden issues. Account type matters. Instagram's music library access differs between personal and business accounts. If you have a business account, switch to a personal or creator account. To do this, go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, select Settings and Privacy. Then Account Type and Tools. Now, choose Switch to Professional Account, then Creator. Sometimes, location restrictions can play a role. Try using a VPN to connect to a server in a different country where Instagram music is widely available. Just download a trusted VPN app, connect to a server, and then try searching for music in Instagram again. Good old restart. Rebooting your phone can work wonders. Simply turn your phone completely off and then turn it back on. Give it a try. You might be surprised. Lastly, if all else fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram. This ensures that you have a fresh installation of the app. Hopefully, one of these solutions gets your Instagram stories and reels rocking with your favorite music. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Instagram tips.